Paul Artadi. And that was our fearless move. The game brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the ball spirit. And Paul Artadi doing everything tonight para po dito sa Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings, including those spectacular spin moves. At look at the numbers of Paul Artadi. At hindi pa tapos itong ball game ito. At nandiyan pa si Paul Artadi. So malamang madagdagan mga iba pa yan. Ano? And Marcus Kines missing. At ayun, sinisiguro ng Ginebra. May tagapitas ng rebound. Kahit magtatakbo na yung mga ito sila Artadi at Tubid. At here's Marjan Kagiwa. Alisa sila naman ang naisahan ng walkout. But they couldn't control.
And that's what I was saying. You look at the guards of the Wellcoat Dragons. Even their mga off-guard nila, hindi sila very adept at bringing down the basketball. Tingnan natin, we look at the guards of Barangay Ginebra. Guys like Ronald Tubit, Mark Kagiwa, very good dribblers, can break you down with a dribble. Not the case with the Dragons.
Keen observation here, Jason. And here's Mark Kagiwa, where you're up ahead by 22 points. Tignan mo naman, ha? This is the biggest lead para po sa Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings. What the Dragons trying to execute with 6 to shoot. Gary Banyas fires. They get it back. Pero itong depensa ng Barangay Ginebra, ang hirap sa pasagin. Final Bagyon with a three-pointer. Ayan po at as we approach the 3-minute mark sa ating final quarter. Ito po Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings. Well, after tonight, meron pa pong laban ito eh. Oh, and Mark Isid. Pasok yung basket, meron pang foul.
Number 4, number of points put together by the Dragons. And for Barangay Ginebra, it's a 17-point lead, but Coach Jongoy Chico not leaving anything to chance. Binalik niya ito si JJ Helterbrand. And of course, the import still there. If Barangay Ginebra should go on to win this ball game, their big game is yung laro nila kalaban yung Alaska sa linggo.
On Sunday, mga kaibigan.
Dahil mismo ano mangyari doon, kung sino ang matalo sa laro na yon will drop to the wild card.
Ayaw ba mga kaibigan? At meron po tayong timeout dito with 2:44 remaining. Umalagwa po dito ng todo ang Barangay Ginebra. Magbabalik po kami.